This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Brandy Holdman. Amazing open floor plan and tons of space and storage. This almost new home features 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. This home features hardwood flooring throughout, tall ceilings, oversized mudroom, second floor laundry, 2-car attached garage, gas fireplace, and more. The second level features a large master suite with jetted garden tub, double vanities, and a huge walk-in tile shower. There are 2 other bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bath. There is also a 4th bedroom with a half bath that could also be used as a family room/home theater. The main level include a huge kitchen with granite counters, white cabinets, stainless appliances, hardwood throughout the entire house, plus a main level bedroom and bathroom. There is also a dining room or home office on this level. Highlights of this light-filled 3,500 square feet, 4 or 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, 2-story home with fantastic sitting backing up to a beautiful wooded view. Great location adjacent to city parks and school grounds, minutes from Indiana University and Eastside shopping. Rogers/Binford, Jackson Creek, Bloomington South schools. Don't miss this wonderful opportunity to live in a truly custom home.